Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Airtable to create workflows using Zapier authentication, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Airtable to create workflows using Zapier, open your web browser. Navigate to the Zapier website and log into your account. On your dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger App search bar, type Airtable and select it from the list. You will be prompted to choose a trigger event. Select the appropriate trigger based on your needs, then click Continue. Next, you will need to connect your Airtable account. Click on the Connect a New Account button. A new window will pop up prompting you for your Airtable credentials. To get started, log into your Airtable account in that window. Once logged in, you will need to provide an API key. To find your API key, go to your Airtable account settings. Copy the API key from your Airtable settings. Paste the API key back into the Zapier authentication window. After pasting, click Yes, continue to authorize the connection. If successful, Zapier will confirm that your Airtable account is now connected. Now you will need to select the Airtable base you want to use for your workflows. After selecting your base, click Continue. Next, pick the specific table within that base to be used in your Zap. Review your selections and click Continue again. Zapier will then prompt you to test your trigger. Follow the instructions to test the trigger connection. If the test is successful, you can proceed to set up the action for your Zap. Choose another app from the action search bar or continue refining your Airtable integration. From here, configure the action settings as required by your workflow. After setting everything up, give your Zap a name. Finally, turn on your Zap to enable the workflow. Your Airtable is now authorized to work with Zapier, allowing you to automate your processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.